Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Now we will discuss about 24-hour clock time. So dear children, kindly open your book, page number 191. 24-hour clock time. 24-hour clock is used at railway stations or airports. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM, means anti-meridian, and the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight is denoted by PM, that is post-meridian. So, outer side of the digits represent as 12 hour and inner side digits represent as 24 hour. Okay. Then 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. In 12-hour clock time, when we say 12 midnight means 0000 hours or 24 hours. 2400 hours. 1 AM means 0100 hours. 5 AM means 0500 hours. So like this, when 12 noon, 1200 hours. In 24 hours clock time, here 4 digits are used to express time. 4 digits are there. First 2 digits denoted hours and last 2 digits denote minutes. So children, first 2 digits, for example here 606 represent 4 hours and last 2 digit 15 represent minutes. Okay, so 6 hours 15 minutes. After 12 noon, when the time is in PM, add 12 hours to change it into 24 hours. So when 12-hour clock time is 1:05 PM, you convert into 24-hour time. That time you add 12 hours. So 105 plus 12 hours equal to 1305 hours. 330 plus 12 hours equal to 1530 hours. 1110 hours plus 12 hours equal to 2310 hours. Okay. Duration of an activity. Example 7. A man works in an office from 9:30 AM to 5 PM. Calculate his office timings. Solution. Here, to calculate time between AM and PM, we divide the problem in 2 parts. Okay, like this. 9:30 AM to 12 noon. How much time? First we find out. That is, we subtract and we get 2 hours 30 minutes. Then 12 hours to 5 PM. How much? 5 hours. So we add 5. So the result is 7 hours 30 minutes. Then example 8. A train leaves the station at 2:15 PM and reaches its destination at 7:30 AM. Next day, find the duration of the journey. Here also we separate 2 parts. 2:15 PM means it is daytime. So 2:15 PM to 24 hours. How much time? We subtract. Then we add 7:30 up to 7:30 AM means extra 7 hours 30 minutes we add. Okay, so the result is 17 hours 15 minutes. Example 9. A train left Chennai at 8:30 a.m. on Friday and reached Delhi on Sunday at 10 hours 10 minutes or 10 a.m. Find the total duration of time. Here children you mark 8:30 a.m. Friday and here Sunday at 10 a.m. So 8:30 a.m. Friday to 8:30 a.m. Sunday, how much time? Exactly 2 days. Okay. Then duration from 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. How much time? That is 8:30 to 9:30 1 hour and 9:30 to 10 hours means 40 minutes. So 1 hour 40 minutes. So total duration is 2 days, 1 hour, 40 minutes. Then example 10. Neeru went to Jaipur on 25th May and returned back on 10th June. For how long was she in Jaipur? Here you see 25th May to 10th June. So we first find out in May how many days are there? 31 days. So 25th to 31st May, how many days? 7 days. Okay. Then period from 1st June to 10th June. How many days? 10 days. So 7 days plus 10 days, that is 17 days. So Neeru was in Jaipur for 17 days. Then example 11. Amita was born on 14th July 1997 and her brother was born on 21st October 2002. Who is elder and by how much? So first you see 14th July 1997 and 21st October 2002. So period from 14th July 1997 to 13th July 2002 equal to 5 years. Okay. Period from 14th July 2002 to 13th October is 3 months. Then we find out up to 21st October. So again 14th October to 20th October. Okay, we include 14th October and we cannot include 21st October. Up to 20 October we count. 7 days. So total time period is 5 years, 3 months, 7 days. Okay. So Amita is elder to her brother by 5 years, 3 months, 7 days. Okay. Then comes to exercise 14.3. One number. Sesha's dance class started at 4:10 p.m. and continued till 5:40 p.m. For how long did the class last? So children, you just subtract 5:40 minus 4:10. Okay? Then you get 1 hour 30 minutes. Then comes to 2 number. A chemist shop opens at 10 a.m. and closes at 8:30 p.m. How long does the shop remain open? So first you divide into 2 parts, that is 12-hour clock minus 10 hour 00 minutes. We get 2 hours. Then we add 8 hour 30 minutes. So the result will be 10 hour 30 minutes. Okay. Then comes to 3 number. The school starts at 7:15 am and closes at 2:30 pm. Find the working hours of the school. Let's see the solution. Here we convert two parts. 12 hours minus 7:15 am. Then we get 4 hours 45 minutes. Then we add 2:30 means 2 hours 30 minutes. Then 6 hours 75 minutes, which is more than 60. So we convert into 15 minutes by subtracting 60. So the result will be 7 hours 15 minutes. Okay. Then comes to 4 number. A plane takes off from Delhi at 4:40 pm and reaches Mumbai at 7:50 pm. Find the time taken by the plane. Here children, you see 4:40 pm and 7:50 pm. PM. So just we subtract 7:50 minus 4:40. That is 3 hours 10 minutes. Okay. Then comes to 5 number. A bus leaves the bus stop at 7:50 pm and reaches its destination at 5:30 am. The next day, find the duration of the journey. Let's see the solution. Here children, we divide two parts of the time, 7:50 pm to 24 hours. That is 4 hours 10 minutes. And we add 5 hours 30 minutes. So total duration of time is 9 hours 40 minutes. Then comes to 6 number. A train leaves the station at 8:30 am and reaches its destination at 3:45 am. The next day. Find the duration of the journey. Here we subtract from 12 hours to 8:30. Then we get 3 hours 30 minutes. Then noon 12 o'clock to night 12 o'clock. That is 12 hours. So again we add 12 hours. Then we get 15 hours 30 minutes. Then up to 3:45 am we have to find out. So again we add 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay. Then we get 18 hours 75 minutes, which is more than 60. So we subtract 60. Finally we get 19 hours 15 minutes. Okay. So the duration of the journey is 19 hours 15 minutes. Then comes to 7 number. A train left Delhi station at 6:45 pm on Monday and reached Bangalore on Wednesday at 12:30 pm. Find the total duration of time. Here children, 6:45 pm Monday to 6:45 pm Tuesday is 24 hours. Then 12 hours minus 6:45 minutes. We get 5 hours 15 minutes. Then up to 12:30 pm. So again we add 12 hours 30 minutes. So the final result is 17 hours 45 minutes. So the duration of journey is 24 hours means 1 day. 1 day 17 hours 45 minutes. Otherwise you can say, if you add 24 hours plus 17, 41 hours 45 minutes. Okay. So up to 7 number I discussed. Okay. Then next 8, 9, 10 number you think, follow all the examples and do yourself. Okay. So exercise 14.3 is your homework. you do it in your copy. Thank you.